River Campers, Carrie over at the San Antonio River Authority, and today we're going to talk about nature journals. The great thing about nature journals is you can take any sort of notebook or make your own. Then use it to focus your curiosity about your nature findings through a variety of techniques. Not too long ago, I did a couple of journal entries in a homemade notebook while visiting a neighborhood park. On the first day, I wanted to make some simple, mindful observations with my senses of sight, hearing, touch, and smell. I was pretty excited to see some red birds and notice some nice plants. With my first journal entry piquing my interest, the second day I decided I wanted to study the landscape of the park by drawing it. Then I wrote all the questions that came to my mind. This park is interesting because its main feature is a beautified drainage ditch that receives spring water and storm water from the area. The water comes in from this culvert and flows across the park and then through this culvert. I instantly became curious about these woody growths, which turned out to be the roots of these cypress trees. Roots like these help prevent erosion by trapping sediment. I noticed that there were some small areas where the water moved faster, and I saw a really cool crayfish nearby. When I researched why that might be, it turns out that the faster moving water stirs in more oxygen that the crayfish need. No wonder crayfish are considered indicators of good water quality. I finished my nature journal entry and reflected about how important it is to take a moment to tap into life around you and to trace the flow of water through the land. I even learned that this water flows for 3 more miles across a golf course before emptying into the Salado Creek, which is connected to the San Antonio River. Be sure to keep up with the nature journal over the summer. You'll never know what you might learn that could help our San Antonio River watershed. And check out even more river topics on the San Antonio River Authority website at sara-tx.org. Remember to keep learning, and we'll see you soon.